friends are going to draw a cowboy crab.
We hope you're really excited and you have your art supplies ready to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with, and we're also drawing on marker paper.
But you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, like crayons or colored pencils. And this was your idea. You came up with this, and it's my new favorite. It's a crab with a cowboy hat.
So cute.
Yeah, and what did you name her?
Shelly.
Shelly, and I'm gonna leave it as a surprise to our art friends what I named mine, but it's not Shelly.
Okay.
All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start with our pencil. We're gonna draw Shelly's body, and we're gonna draw a football shape, or an American football shape, or a leaf shape. Let's start here on the left, and we're gonna draw a little curve or rainbow line that goes up and down. And I'm trying to draw it so that there's the same amount of space on both sides so that we can have her pinchers hanging up, sticking up into the air. Let's draw the bottom of her shell or her body. I'm gonna draw the same curve but going down and connecting on the other side. So we got little points over here too. And the nice thing about our pencil, we can keep working on the lines and get them just the way we want them before we move on to the next step. All right, let's move on to our markers. That's all we're gonna use our pencil for. And we're gonna draw all the fun details. Let's start with her cowboy hat or her face. Which should we do?
Her cowboy hat.
Cowboy hat, okay. Let's start by drawing a curve that comes in. Oh, this is kind of also a lemon shape, I just realized. So we're gonna draw the front of the cowboy hat, or cowgirl hat, we should say.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then we're gonna draw it 3D. So let's draw the sides curving around and coming back into the shell. Okay, now let's draw the curling part, the part that comes up, and we're gonna draw it curving up and curving down, and I'm gonna stop there. And we're gonna repeat that same shape over here on this side. I'm gonna try to make it match, and it's okay if it's a little off or it doesn't match. This is a little bigger, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I love your cowgirl hat. It's really cute. Okay, next let's draw the middle part. Let's come up. We're gonna draw diagonal lines, and we can kind of curve them at the top. So I'm gonna curve in just a little, and we'll draw this one curving in just a little. And then in between, we're gonna draw it dipping in the middle, coming up, and then curving back to the other side. Oh, that's awesome. All right, then we can draw the little band that goes around, and I'm gonna draw another one right above it. Yes. All right, now let's draw her face. We're gonna draw a cute little smile. I'm gonna draw right here. And our friends could change the smile and the eyes. You could draw them winking, or you could draw them small, or you could draw them big and draw them medium size. Yes. And then we can draw a smaller circle inside. We like doing this to make the eyes shiny. We can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Okay, next let's draw her body coming out of the hat, or it's also kind of her head. We can draw it curving down to the points. And we can also draw a little point or a little bump sticking out for the edge of the shell. Okay, now let's draw her little pinchers. We're gonna start by drawing a sideways letter U sticking out. And I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side to match. Yes, and then we're gonna draw a bigger U, but diagonal, and see how it doesn't quite connect down here. We can extend the bottom to connect in, and I'm gonna do the same over here and try to match. Yes, and then we're gonna draw our pinchers. We're gonna draw big letter U. Kind of looks like we're drawing an oval, but we're not going to connect at the top. And I'm going to draw that same oval. Try to make the same size pinchers on both sides. There we go. Okay, now let's finish the pinchers. Oh, down here, let's connect the letter U's in if there's a little space. And then we're going to draw zigzags. We'll draw a couple zigzags and then curve in. And same on the, we're going to flip for the other side. So we'll start on the outside, zigzags, and then curve in. And then here on the inside, we can draw more zigzags and connecting into the other side of the pincher. Yes, that looks awesome. Okay, now we're ready to draw her legs. Let's start with the front legs. We're going to draw 3 on each side. So first we're going to draw letter U, and it's kind of diagonal pointing down to the corners. And then we're going to draw another letter U pointing straight down or upside down. And then right here, we're going to draw a diagonal line, but we're going to curve around and then turn it into, it looks like an upside down raindrop. We're going to draw it curving up, around, and then in. Let's repeat that same step for the next leg, and we can draw it a little longer. I'm going to draw it diagonal also. Then we're going to draw an upside down letter U. And then on this one, let's make it look 3D going a different direction. We're going to turn it into an oval. And then we'll draw the pointed part. So we can draw a diagonal line coming in. And then a diagonal line going out and connecting back to the leg. Yes, one more leg on each side. Let's start by drawing a sideways letter U. Then another diagonal letter U. This one I'm going to draw a bit longer than the other ones. And we can turn these into ovals also.
Oh, I just drew another one.
Oh, that's okay. You can
Should
first, yeah, you can first make that. Yeah, there you go. And then that's what we're going to do also is draw the little sharp end to the leg on each side. Kind of looks like she's dancing with that leg out.
Oh, she's sticking it out.
Yeah. She's doing a cute little line dance. Okay, now in between each of the legs, you can see the pencil line going through, a guideline. So we don't want to draw through the legs, but if you can see a little space right where the pencil is, you can trace over it. And on the other side, and then down here at the bottom, we can connect there too. All right, and then let's also finish her shell. We're going to draw it curving down over her legs towards the middle. And then right here, you can also connect and curve up a bit and then over to the other side. We did it! We finished drawing Shelly. She looks really cute, except we still need to
color her.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. But before we color, we need to switch to our eraser and erase any of the guidelines you can still see. Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our little crabs, and I especially love your pink cowgirl hat and the eyelashes and the highlights and the shadow. She looks really cute. And I didn't want to draw Shelly anymore. I changed mine to Shermit the Sheriff.
He looks cool.
Yeah, with sheriff hat with the little star. But our friends, you guys can change your drawings any way you want. You could add more things or even a background.
Yeah, you could add a rope.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Or it's going to a rodeo.
Oh, that would be really cool. What do they ride? Seahorses.
Yes. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
Yeah, and remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. I hope they do look different. I hope that you take time to change your drawings, because the most important thing is
to have fun.
Yeah, and to
practice.
Practice. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.